People have a tendency these days to blame everybody except who? Themselves. But there are laws in life you cannot break. You can break them, but you're going to get hurt. If you continually spend more money than what you make, you'll end up what? And that shouldn't be my problem or the government's problem. That's your problem. Yes or no? And this is what's so great about car sales, because it's a real business. It's still real. If you don't perform, you got to look at who first. I love it. I've always loved it for that, and so far that's not changed in our business. But societally and culturally, what I just said is very offensive, that you're accountable to yourself. Because there's a whole movement out there that, oh, fuck, no, it's got nothing to do with you. It's got to be my grade 3 teacher that didn't like my pink shirt. It's him, it's her, wounded me, and I'm still living the wounds. Now, why am I doing all this? Couple of reasons. If you don't have thick skin in this business, and if you don't have a good sense of humor, how hard is this business on you? How tough can your managers be on you and customers at 9:30 at night when their blood sugar is getting low and they're not getting what they want for their trade? How hard can they be on you? Incredibly hard. So if you're driving home every night doing this on your Bluetooth, oh baby, it was another, and she's going or he's going, oh sugar plum, come in my arms, baby, like get out. You're going to drive yourself crazy. You should be making this call. You won't believe the carnival today. It was a freak show. I had this guy, and like you can't even talk, you're laughing so hard. That's how you need to deal with it.